Job opportunities for physiotherapists are many. And basically, we always think, okay, physiotherapists, they're supposed to work in the hospital. But it doesn't mean that the physiotherapists can only work in an hospital. I'm Thirumalaya Balaraman, working at Faculty of Health and Life Sciences, INTI International University. I'm currently heading the physiotherapy program. Physiotherapists play an important role in the management of non-communicable diseases and also in the prevention and promotion of health as well. The INTI physiotherapy program was started in 2010 and more than 10 batches of students were graduated from our institute. One of the strongest point about the INTI physiotherapy program is the clinical training. And we have nearly 1,200 hours of clinical training in reputed public and private hospitals. Students are exposed to around 2,000 hours of practical training as well. Other than that, the students always will get the up-to-date knowledge what is current in the industry. We deliver that with our partners and through our networks. We have our international adjunct professors from Australia, UK and different parts of Europe and Asian countries who are helping our students to make sure they are up to date and current in the market as well.
I'm Rajkumar Krishan Vasanthi, Clinical Coordinator and Senior Lecturer, Physiotherapy Program from Faculty of Health and Life Sciences, INTI International University. Keeping in INTI's mission, individualized programs, innovative program and internationalization. So this is the three uniqueness which we exactly follow in our physiotherapy program as well. We have an internationalization with overseas universities and also we take our students to expose them how and globally physiotherapy field works, and also we provide a very innovative kind of curriculum with a balance with industry and also academically matters. We really care for the students. That's our third eye, which is individualization. So we really appoint some mentors to the mentees to take care of the students. If you see about the faculty members from our program, we have a balanced kind of academicians and also a really real-world experienced people. So if you see in the real-world experienced people, like we have our clinical instructors who will really follow our students to the clinical areas and teach them on the site where our students are posted. So if you see the experience, I will say it's really 100% they have an industry experience to teach our students. Currently, most of our clinical instructors are from Malaysia and they all has to be affiliated with Malaysian Physiotherapy Association.
We're having the state-of-the-art laboratory which provide excellent learning experience for our students. So we have the markerless movement analysis lab, which is one of the first in Malaysia. And also we have all the recent equipments which is currently used in the industry to provide better learning experience for our students. Being a health professional, clinical experience is very important for teaching. That's what we are going to teach to our students as well. We also have a physiotherapy center here at INTI International University where the academicians will treat patients, and that is also a learning resource for our students as well.
If you see about the real-world experience to our students, we have 9 areas of clinical placements we provide to our students. So every student who enroll our courses, they will be posting in 9 different areas to achieve that minimum 1,000 clinical hours set by the government. So in order to achieve that 1,000 clinical hours, we send our students to 9 different clinical areas, and then we go for the very final clinical internship which goes for about 8 to 10 weeks. And we have another one options given to the students like called elective clinical postings, where according to the student interest they can opt to 2 weeks of clinical placement.
In order to provide that international exposure, we organize study tours. And this year our students went to Poland and they participated in an international conference and they won the Best Paper Presentation Awards as well.
So with that I will say yes, INTI Physiotherapy program provide that kind of education to groom a graduate what really a market needs.